cardboard can be the best material for a prank.
Yay!
Wow, it's so nice here. Oops! And very dangerous. We're here, Lily. The hotel looks pretty nice. Welcome, ladies.
Hi.
Follow me. I'll give you the best room.
Wow!
Look at that. It's a whole suite. It's all inclusive. It's perfect for us. Jane, where's our money? That's no good, ladies. You don't have enough for a suite. But I'll find you another room. Come on,
Wow.
it's so cozy in here. Don't even think about it. You can't afford it either. Your room is under the roof. Are we there yet? Keep up, ladies.
No.
Almost there. Here's your room. Make yourself at home. And I'll take this. This room is no suite. How are we supposed to live here, Jane? No bed, no table. Look around. It's full of cardboard. And first, let's clear a space. All right, there's a lot of work to do. It won't be long before the attic is full of cardboard. Sheets and boxes, we can use everything. Don't be shy. Turns out there's so much room. Now this room is like a blank canvas. Just imagine, Lily. We can use so many design ideas. Okay, let's begin. We need a kitchen first, and Lily knows how to build it. It's kind of empty so far, but some kitchen utensils will fix everything. They look great in here. Don't forget to sharpen the knives. What about the table? We definitely need one. And we'll put a light on the ceiling to make it cozy. Perfect! Let's add some green. Oops! Almost forgot. The flowers need watering. And this colorful rug will be so great in the living room. Ooh, what a day. I wish I could get some sleep. Get up, Lily. We'll rest when we finish the bed. Here are the tools. Let's go. Cut there, saw there, and tighten the bolts here. That's it. Our cardboard bed is ready. We did a great job, Lily. I just wish we could have a blanket and a pillow. No problem. If you've got some cardboard, you can have anything. And you can never have too many decorations. How about those cute curtains? And don't forget the cardboard garlands. Let's move your rug in here. This is where it belongs. The landlady told us that the room has to be clean. It's better not to argue with her, and we'll leave all the dirty work to the cardboard vacuum cleaner. Phew! Cleaning is exhausting, and it's not pretty. Lily, a vanity table, that's what we need. It will stand here, but we don't even have a mirror. We'll get one, don't worry. We'll even set up some lights. This is amazing. Jane, look what I got. Now it's all ours. The girls can use everything they find. Brush your hair, Lily, and you'll transform. Turns out a cardboard comb works wonders. Let's test the cardboard powder. Now it's time to make a bedside table. That'll be a piece of cake. Let's connect two pieces, like this, and glue on a round tabletop. Now we can decorate it. Cover the edges of the tabletop with tape. Let's put a nightlight here. And there's room for an alarm clock too. Jane, we'll hang the clothes on this hanger. Do you like it?
Wow!
Of course I do, Lily. This is a bedroom for real princesses. We need a chair. This will do just fine. Let's add a little cardboard glamour. Where's our marker? Think outside the box. This chair is so comfortable. I don't even want to get up. Oh, I almost forgot. And end table. That would look great in here. And this green friend can live in a large pot. And the final touch, a vase of flowers and a lamp. Now we're done. Jane can rest. The first night in the cardboard room went great. I wish I could sleep longer. Oh, those alarm clocks. They always wake you up at the most interesting moment. Good morning, Lily. I already made cardboard breakfast. Thank you, bestie. You're a top chef for sure. By the way, here are our slippers. Try them on. You'll like them. And now it's time for the morning exercise. Even a child can handle a cardboard dumbbell. But Jane never takes the easy way out. She's a champion. Lily, you can do that too. Here you go. Oops, I miscalculated. Let's not stop there. Let's keep decorating. Those garlands are so beautiful.
Wow.
Jane, we need a TV. And I took care of everything. I wonder if this cardboard thing works. Of course it does. Push the button on the remote and enjoy your favorite movie. Lily, that's a great idea. But the movie is so much more interesting if you eat some cardboard Pringles. Wow, this is so exciting. Too bad it's a short film. Now let's switch places, bestie. I have to see this paper masterpiece. This is no good. This phone needs cardboard style.
Wow.
Done. Now you can make an important call. Hello, is this the stylist? We want to do a cardboard photo shoot. I'm right here, ladies. Who called? Whoa, the service is amazing. Cardboard transformation. This is what we need. A real professional can do anything. A little snipping and the cardboard hairstyle is ready. Lily is unrecognizable. It's Jane's turn. Cardboard magic is about to happen. Oh no, Frizz. Don't panic. We'll fix it.
Whoa.
That's better. Curls are always trendy. And now for the best part. Let's try on our couture cardboard outfits. Ready for the photo shoot? Say cheese! This trip just keeps getting better and better. And they will remember it forever. It's time for a break. What's for lunch today? No idea. Maybe Jane can find a tasty cardboard recipe. Come take a look, bestie.
Yay!
This is our kitchen. That looks good. Don't worry, Lily. We'll have pizza for dinner. The dough is ready. All you have to do is roll it out. I'll show you. You did it, Lily. It's perfect. Now, slice the toppings. I'll get the base ready. Sausage, mushrooms, and cheese. Put everything on the dough. And grate some cheese on top. Before Jane sees it, you can steal a little piece of sausage. Lily, don't ruin our pizza. Let's put it in the oven. Whew, it's so hot. Just what we need. The smell of pizza seems to have attracted a guest.
Oh.
What are they doing? It's ready, Lily. And our favorite cocoa? Coming right up, Lily. See, we've got it all. Help yourself, bestie. We're gonna have a great dinner. Delicious. Guests are always welcome here. Have a seat. And enjoy it. Thank you, girls. Oh, there are croissants, too. This is amazing. That was a delicious dinner. But it's time to pay for the room or move out. What? We gave you our money. Oh, I see. The owner of the hotel is trying to cheat them. Let's teach her a lesson. We'll be right back. We'll just get our money. The girls did a good job here. This room is going to cost a fortune. Jane, be quiet. Nobody will have our custom chair, I promise. Destroying furniture feels so good sometimes. Now, let's get out of here, girl. There's a whole cardboard kingdom in here. The bedroom looks so cozy. There's even a dressing table. There's also a living room. It's lovely. I'll just have to try this armchair. Let me sit on it. Oops! Cardboard is too unreliable. The girls fooled her. Bye-bye, scammer. We'd better get going. Did you enjoy our new video? Would you like to live in our cardboard room? Tell us in the comments. Like this video and click the bell so you don't miss a new cardboard video on Troom Wow. Subscribe and call your friends.